So today I'll show you how to pair and connect your Xbox wireless controller to your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings. Under settings, go to connections on the left hand side panel, and then go to Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth is on and scanning for devices to connect to. So now you want to switch on your controller, and with the controller on, put it in pairing mode by pressing and holding the pairing button at the top. And when it starts blinking rapidly, you know it's in pairing mode. So now make sure your tablet is scanning by tapping on scan again, and you should see your Xbox wireless controller. Select it. You should see a pairing request. Tap on pair, and it should get paired to your tablet and connected. So you can see now we are connected to the Tab S11 Ultra. So now if you have any compatible games, you should be able to play and customize the controls for the controller. Thanks for watching and good luck.